15, the second 90 as we bring in meteorologist Samantha Roberts. She's going to pick it up from there.
Yeah, 15, 90 plus degree
Yes.
days. If I ever forget, I'm going to ask you because
You should.
You're keeping track of it just like we are.
Yes.
We're at 85 right now in Cleveland, 10 degrees cooler than our high this afternoon. 88 is our feels like temperature. By the way, if we had hit 96, we would have tied a record set back in 1953, but we were 1 degree short. 85 right now, Lorraine, Elyria. Feels like 91. Heat index, Akron, Canton, 85. Mansfield, 92. Oh, almost 8 o'clock at night. Feels like it's 92. Mansfield actually did hit a record high today. Our next big thing as we look ahead to the weekend, humid and stormy to start your Saturday. So we have one more day of humidity before things feel a lot better by Sunday into Monday. Let's talk about that and the storm threat on Future View. So this is tomorrow morning. Clock is above my head. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. We are going to have a front kind of draped right across our area. So that'll mean scattered showers and storms to start the day. Some of these may produce heavy rain. We'll have to keep that storm threat in through at least midday. And then as it gets later and later, we should dry out from northwest to southeast. Now, I know this isn't showing much in the afternoon, but I am concerned that we'll see, just because the front's moving through really slowly, a few additional storms inland away from Lake Erie tomorrow afternoon. We'll be watching that threat closely. Cleveland, I think by 3 p.m. at the latest, we're going to be dry. And then once the storms get out of here, this cooler, drier air mass moves in for the rest of the weekend. So Sunday into Monday, not very humid at all. Not at all like what we saw today. Again, we're still in the 80s out there. Couple of 90s. One to show you the radar. Not much on it locally, but the wider picture shows that down towards southern Carroll County and the West Virginia Panhandle, we are tracking some thunderstorms there. And then, of course, we've got this line associated with our cold front up into Michigan and portions of northeastern Indiana. We'll be watching these thunderstorms closely through the evening. I do expect most of that activity will go to our south, and a lot of this stuff up towards Port Huron will go out into Lake Huron and Ontario. So locally, I'm not expecting a ton of thunderstorms tonight, but a passing shower or storm certainly not out of the question. Our other big issue tonight, just the heat and humidity. 70 tonight. The air just feels like so stagnant, right? You walk outside and it just envelops you in a big hug. That's why we call humidity the air you can wear. But we only have to wear it for one more day. That's tomorrow. And then by Sunday, it'll feel a lot better. Also very blustery on Sunday. Winds coming right off the lake, so the lake may be a little choppy Sunday into Monday. Also really cool on Labor Day with that high of 72. We do warm up by the middle to end of the work week. And then as we expand the forecast here, show you that double week.